Home Remedies presents the natural effective remedy against sciatica, garlic milk. Garlic milk is an ancient natural remedy, very useful against the symptoms caused by inflammation of the sciatic nerve, thanks to the anti-inflammatory properties of garlic, which works as a natural painkiller. This miraculous simple recipe is easy to prepare at home. Today we will use this magic remedy to relieve the symptoms of sciatica. Let's see how to prepare it. Ingredients: 4 cloves of garlic, 200 ml of milk, which corresponds to a full glass. Directions: chop the garlic cloves, as the whole garlic would not release its healthy properties easily. Heat the milk over medium heat and add the minced garlic. Cook for 5 to 6 minutes. When ready, pour it into a cup or a glass, and once cool, add a bit of honey to sweeten it. Even if honey will not completely cover the strong taste of garlic. If you prefer to drink it cold, put the minced garlic in the milk and let it rest for at least 3 hours before consuming it. Certainly, it is not a pleasant beverage to the taste, but it is quite healthy for alleviating the pain caused by the inflammation of sciatic nerve. Vegan people or lactose intolerant people can replace cow's milk with a rice, soya or almond beverage. For best results, drink 1 glass of garlic milk per day for at least 15 days or until the pain has disappeared. If you cannot drink the garlic milk all at once, you can divide the drink into 2 or 3 portions to be taken during the day. Other benefits of drinking garlic milk: arthritis, helps to reduce painful symptoms, that is pain and inflammation. Reduce cholesterol, helps to reduce bad cholesterol, helps to prevent formation of clots. Asthma, can assist people who suffer from difficulty breathing and other lung related problems. Best to drink a hot cup at night. Digestive health, helps to remove toxic waste from the body and intestinal parasites. Garlic stimulates the secretion of digestive juices, helps to reduce symptoms from diarrhea. In this case, take the drink on an empty stomach for once a day for about 10 days. If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.